Hello again. This is an addendum to our drawing because we don't want to redo the drawing because these are the 19 winners, not the 20 winners. We got our count off. It's always nervous time doing these things. We're not professional at this. So we have one more name to draw. We had 19 in that stack after counting them, so we need to draw another name. So I'm going to mix it up in here. One more time. Here you go. Mary Martell in Garland, all the way from Garland. Mary, you are the lucky winner, and just because we made a little mistake, we're going to draw one more name, making it 21. Actually, maybe 21. That has a great ring to it, 21. But maybe since it's year 2022, we're going to go 22. So we're going to draw two more names right here. Let's see. Peggy and Guy Brignan. Peggy and Guy have been coming in here for 100 years. Hey, Peggy. Hey, Guy. They got a lot of birds at their place in East Texas. And 2022, 22 winners. Natalie Perry on Rick's. Congratulations to all of you 2022 winners, birdseed for the year.